Okay, I haven't traded in ages because I've been scared, but I forward tested two potential trades today and I'll go over them. So you can see here, uh, we have this bearish overextension and then this bullish overextension. And then you can see over the past, like this extension, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is the past 2 hours. You go from the top of the and the high. So we have looking for buys here, looking for buys here, looking for sells here. And we came down, overextended into the lows of these ranges, of this range. This 15-minute area of interest where price closed and opened and like reversed. And this would be another one here, for example. And we came down, overextended down, smaller top wick. And then we have here, we have a shift. And the shift was, you can see I entered here, which would have been off this 1 minute high. So I wanted a 1 minute high to be taken out. And you see how I wouldn't have entered here because it was still above 50% of the range, right? Like here, sure, it went down a little bit, but like not really. That's just edging it. That's barely legal. So it keeps respecting these highs more or less. And then flat highs there. Then we have this high here, this low here. So we take out these lows, and then we have this high here. This is well on 50%. And we're in this AOI now. Well, around this AOI. Even if it was like here, like anywhere from like here to like here, I'd be happy with. Like anywhere around in this area, I'd be happy with. And then you can see we have this 1 minute high. So let me do the magnet thing. That high. So we came down, made this high. And we respected most of these highs. We have this low. And then I was like, okay, let me look on the 5-second for more structure. Let me see, we have this high here. I don't know. This is the AOI. Okay, let me get rid of that. We come down, we have these lows. So this is how the shift would go. We have this high, another high here, low, and then 1 minute shift of that high. So we break that high. And you notice how it's not like entry right on that line. It's a little bit up. So it's like it still has to push up that way. And this is a 1.14. I only target 1.1 or no, just 1. So it would be like that. Or if I wanted a more decisive entry, I would have the entry up here, which is this high as well then. And you see we have good overextension because we have, look, liquidity, 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 liquidity. All these points for it to reach. And I only target 50% because that's likely the most probabilistic to happen. So good trade. I really like it. It's like I want to keep doing trades like this where it's relatively rangy, overextension down, past 50%. So we're looking for buys since it's down here. It came into this 15-minute rejection area, like reversal area, then had a proper market structure shift, targeting 1-to-1 R, and then yeah, it would have hit take profit. And then we have this other one here, where can I? No. Okay, let me go back to normal. Leave. Then we have this one here, where start new. You can see, let me get rid of these now. We come up above this AOI, but it's breaking the new highs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8 right here. Boom, well above. You can say it's like not the best quality trade, but it's a high volume trading sequence. So yeah, high volume candle, you can see respect each low. We respect each low. Boom. And then we break this low, and that's what we ended off. So we respect each low. And now let's do the magnet again, which is already on that. So right there. And then you can see this was another low I just marked, like a 1 minute low. So I do the 1 minute low and then with 5-second structure. Because if you see on the 1 minute, right? That's the 1 minute candle close. And then what's the other next 1 minute candle close right there? But if we look on here, that's the 1 minute candle close and that's the 1 minute candle close. So in between that though, we have a low right there. So we can enter off the break of this low, but since that low just formed, it's like it could likely just do that and just whatever. But I like doing this. Let me redraw that. We have this low here, this structure. Like you wouldn't be able to see this on the 1 minute. So it's good that we drop down onto the 5-second and we can see structure forming. And then we look off the break of this low. I know it's not the best, but like it's in between this 1 minute low, this 1 minute low. We have this low here. Now I just did it just on the last breaking point of it. Boom, entered there. And am I even still recording? Okay, yes. I don't know. I just reset my computer, so I don't know. Stuff's a bit awkward. And then it reversed. So it probably wasn't the highest quality because it broke past an AOI like heavily. But you can see on like both of these trades, they have both been like pushed and reversed. That's one. Like for at least like 4 minutes as well. Like we need a, where is this? Like so 15 plus 4 would be 19 and a half minutes. So like 19 and a half minutes, we pushed for 4.5, which is like the bare minimum. Reversed. Like up here, where is this? Not the best. Like 3 to 6 is like ideal. I mean, you can not say that actually. I lied. But you can see we've been like rangy and reversing, which is good. And then plus we have this one here too. So this is like 3 already there. And then yeah, we have this. It's kind of scared me when it went back up here. But yeah, take profit on that. And like, look, on the 5-second, right? Well, on the 1 minute, it doesn't look like there would be much like liquidity here because it just looks very high volume, but like that's what we want. It's good to identify the good overextensions on the 1 minute. Because on the 1 minute, they all look like a push, like a heavy push. That's obviously not like a decent overextension. Well, it actually kind of is, to be honest. But like, if we go here, we can see they all form the structure. So if I actually do this, you can see some of the candles push like so candle reversal is what I trade. So they push a certain way and then usually reverse at the other half of the candle. So you can see, look, we come up here, reverse. And now this reversed and it's going up. And then went up and then down. Some of them open and then push down. Like you can see it forms structure with just these 1 minute candles. And look, we have this low here, low here, low here. All these points are liquidity where price will overextend and then, oh wait, to continue going up higher or going lower, we need to take out these orders here. Like, I'm just using concepts of liquidity because I do understand that also because I used to trade like fair value gaps and like order blocks and liquidity sweeps and stuff. So I do understand that stuff a little bit. Look, liquidity, 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 liquidity. Gives it a chance to reverse into and take out the resting orders there. And I'm pretty sure it does do that. Like, let me go to 1 minute. Yeah, look, it does do that. Takes out all that liquidity and then continues higher. So those are the 2 trades I didn't take today, but I'm confident in my methodology around them. And yeah, I don't know why I'm so scared to. I think it's like a self-confidence issue. But yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna eat something and then get ready to go to the gym later. I don't know. But yeah, that's today's two trades I didn't take, but I'm happy on my thought process going behind the trades and me analyzing the trades right now. So yeah, that's good. I need more stuff to do in my trading, like every day, you know. But yeah, that's it. And then see you guys later.